First delivery to the homestead. 3 bundles of railroad ties. Is it coming?
There it is.
Excellent. And they're gone. Early morning delivery from our friends at Lapine Ace Hardware. Oh, and look at that. Alrighty, we got it this far. We're switching to a single point off the bucket so we can turn sharper.
Both ends to both turnbuckles and then bring the middle up to these hooks.
There we go. He's back blading the road as he goes back to get the other container. And there goes number 3, the livable box. Solar panel, kitchen, bathroom, bed, couch, mice and all. Realized I hadn't cut any doors into this container, so when they set this triangle and I'm putting the dunnage in from the courtyard, I won't have any way out. So we grabbed a ladder. Good choice. Alrighty, time to close this triangle. Well, the bottom 3 containers are almost set. Luckily, I still have all that lumber on the roof, so putting in a temporary solar is going to be a lot easier than I thought. Just I got to get some doors into this courtyard, or it's going to be tough. All right, the ground floor is in position, and this is the view